Hello friends, so this is Ilyas from Acumen Academy, back again with a new tutorial of Photoshop. And in today's video I will tell you how to make glow art in Photoshop. So let's get started. And this is the picture we will work on. So first of all you have to go to brightness and contrast and then completely decrease the brightness, and after it completely increase the contrast. Then go to hue and saturation and turn on the colorize option and increase the saturation and put hue to blue. Now go to levels and decrease it from here and slightly increase it from here. Now create a duplicate layer of the main layer by Ctrl+J and put it on top. Now make a selection on wherever you want the glow effect. And then add a layer mask. Then select the main section and go to image adjustment and invert. So invert the selection and then again go to hue and saturation, again put the colorize option and increase the saturation and hue to blue again. Now create a duplicate layer of this layer and put it to screen mode, and then go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur and set it according to need or according the glow. Now add both the layers to a group by Ctrl+G. You can name it glow or whatever you want, and then create a new layer and put it to screen mode. Then select the color shade of which you want the glowing effect of. Now adjust the size and flow of the brush and paint wherever you want the glow, like this, as you can see. And after it, again create a new layer, put it to color dodge option, and then again adjust the brush size and flow and opacity according to the need, and add a bit of color highlights, as you can see. And it's done. Adjust the layer opacity a little bit and you guys can see the results. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.